Let's go. It's J Will back with another video update. I posted 2 videos ago a new product I walked through the campaign with you guys. It's called Divine Locks, and I finally made a sale. Okay, let's jump into this campaign. Here we go, Divine Locks. It's a campaign I set up the other day. If you go back to my last 2 videos I posted, you'll see this campaign set up. Today we received only 2 clicks. Average cost per click, $3.32. Total we spent $6.64. Ad is at the top of the page. First ad should pop up, should be us. And we're gonna head over to Clickbank. That's our tracking tool we're gonna use. Divine Locks, 2 clicks today, 1 sale. Let's see what the 2 clicks were. 2 clicks with Divine Locks Scam and Divine Locks Complete. Let me see, complete. Complex scam with the tablet, okay. And what was this one? With a computer. Amount, as you can see, is $60. That's how much we made today. They typed in these exact words, Divine Lock Scam. This is how Clickbank works. It tracks all the keywords that make you the sale. So far, we made our first sale, Divine Lock Scam. C means computer, $60. We're gonna head on over to Clickbank, see if this match up for today. Again. Bam. Wednesday, October 6th, $60.69. Divine Locks. Well, we've been running this campaign for about 6 days, so let's go back a week from Wednesday to last Wednesday. We're gonna see how much we spent. So far, we only spent $13 total within a week span. 3 clicks, 45 impressions. So as you can see, $60 minus 13, we are definitely in profit so far with this campaign. So as you guys can see, the tracking tool for Clickbank is very important. I'm gonna leave that in the description below. If you guys didn't get it yet, you need to go and get it ASAP. This is how the direct linking campaign works. As you can see, we made our first sale. If you don't know how to set this campaign up, go back 2 videos. When I set this campaign up, I believe it was about 6 days ago when I set this campaign up. Just go back and rewatch the campaign setup, and you can set up the same exact campaign. So in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below so everybody can see. I can answer everybody's questions. Follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. You guys have a good night.